Goodbye, Mufasa's. How is everybody doing today? I hope you guys are having a fantastic, wonderful day. I'm bringing you guys another video. It is actually quite simple, the recipe that I am showing you guys today. Ultimately, this is something that I personally grew up eating. My family and everyone that was around me also ate this. It's pretty simple to make. For those that don't got time and they say that they can't have a quick bite to eat or anything, so they just order Uber Eats or something like that. Now, I'm not knocking on Uber Eats or Postmates or anything, because sometimes you want some Chipotle, some Wendy's and all that. But what I am saying is that you guys can also cook some good ass food at home. In this video, you guys are gonna get to know how to make Fideo, which is tomato soup with some noodles in it, and also the grilled cheese that I make. That absolutely, it's to die for. It's not just one slab of cheese. I'm talking cheese on cheese on cheese. And as always, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification, man. Did you hear what I said? I said hit that notification. You don't want none of this. And as always, don't boast in the past or overthink the future. Live life with passion and without regret. Live the moment, and I will see you guys when I see you guys. Peace. Basically, this is what you guys are gonna need to do. I'm telling you guys, this recipe is amazing. All you need is white bread, some of this, which is the durum. It's like wheat noodles, macaroni noodles. You guys can find that in your store. Whether it's like 37 cents, my guy. This is cheap. This is literally cheap. That's why we're gonna say that we're gonna pimp a struggle meal, because this right here, my guy, I'm telling you, this is quick. Anyways, next thing, you're gonna want this better than bouillon. Now, I use this because I like the liquidy and I can just spoon it and everything, but you can also use the cubes, just so you can get that chicken base on your soup. And you also want to have tomato paste. Tomato paste is what's going to make it delicious taste to your soup as well. Put that there. Now for the grilled cheese, all you're going to need is bread, one kind of cheese. I have this straight American cheese as well. And I like to flare up ours. I put sharp cheddar and mozzarella, and some Philadelphia cream cheese. I'll show you guys what we're gonna do with all of this. Olive oil also, so we can show you guys how to do the noodles. All right, let's get right to it. First thing you want to do, turn on the heat to high 6 if you have a stove like me. Not only that, wait until this gets hot. Once the pot is hot, you want to dump in, I would say, 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm using olive oil today. Once the oil is not heated up, you want to dump in your macaroni noodles. Put like, I would say, half the bag in there. You want to stir these continuously, because if you let it sit there with the hot oil, they are going to burn. You don't want the noodles to burn. You want them to get a little golden brown. Once it's golden brown like that, you want to put in the tomato paste. Add generously, because this is what's going to give flavor to your soup. As you guys are adding that as well, you want to also add in the bouillon. After it's nice and stirred like this, you want to add 4 cups of water. And you want to mix it in very well. Make sure that all the tomato paste and the bouillon incorporates with the water. And you want to leave this on high heat. When it's done boiling, you want to bring it down to a simmer for at least 10 minutes. Alrighty, grilled cheese time. So I got 4 slices of white bread here, and then you want the 2 slices of American cheese. While you're at it, you want to also grab some of that cream cheese. Have it right here. Do not forget your sharp cheddar cheese. And I only got a little bit of mozzarella, so some of that as well. First thing you want to do is you obviously want to open up, put a slice of cheese there, slice of cheese here. Try your hardest to have it room temperature, because it'll be harder to spread if it's recently taken out of the refrigerator. So you want to grab the cream cheese and spread it. After you guys coated evenly the cream cheese on the American cheese, you want to grab some of that sharp cheddar, and you want to generously put some sharp cheddar right where the cream cheese is. Then you want to grab the mozzarella and add a tad bit, just to get that pull. And in my personal preference, I like to add a little bit of salt and black pepper, just so I can have it a little bit seasoned. So just a pinch of salt and a little bit of black pepper. And now they're ready for the stove. Add some butter. Then add your grilled cheese. After you add your grilled cheese, you want to leave it there. Don't touch it. Don't do anything with it. Wait for 3 to 5 minutes on low heat, so it can crust on the bottom and also melt the cheese through. Now, this is optional, but you can grab yourself a lid and put it on top, so all the vapors and everything cook through the cheese and it'll melt perfectly. Once it's ready to flip, you want to take off the lid, hold it nicely with the spatula, and flip it over. You want to move around with the excess butter that you had, so you can get enough butter for the other piece. Put it back into the center close the lid and leave it there for another 3 to 5 minutes. Now you're going to see that your noodles have doubled in size, and that's when you know that this soup is ready. And now we are finished. I'm gonna show you guys the pull on these grilled cheeses, and then we're going to eat. Let me show you guys real quick. Let me show you guys. Look, because I cut into it, but look at that. I don't know if you guys can see, but look at that pull. Look at that. Oh my God.